arithmetic operators in Python. Operator is a symbol to manipulate the data. So we have various types of operators for all arithmetic operations. We use arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So we have modulus to get the remainder of integer division. So addition of two numerical values is a binary operator. We need two operands, a plus b. The value of a is added to b. In Python, addition operator can also be used to join two strings, concatenation of two strings, which we can't do it in C, C++ and Java. Look at the example. We have str1, str2, both are variables, and str1 is assigned with hello and str2 is assigned India. Now str1 plus str2 both are concatenated and you get hello India. Subtraction, multiplication of two numerical values. If I want any item to be repeated, then I can use multiplication in Python. So look at the example on the right side. str1 is equal to India, str1 multiplied by 2. So India is repeated 2 times. Now we have division. The way division works in Python is different and the way it works in C, C++ and Java. In C, C++ and Java, 5 by 2 is 2 only. 5 by 2 is 2 only, not 2.5. Whereas in Python, 5 by 2 is 2.5. So modulus gets you the remainder. 13 mod 5. 5 2's 10 and the remainder is 3. So we have floor division, double slash, which is not there in C, C++ and Java. Floor division, double slash. It works like division in C, C++, Java. So 13 double slash 4. 4 3's are 12. Remainder 1. The quotient part is 3, which returns a quotient by removing the decimal part. It's an integer division. So we have an additional operator exponent, power, num1 exponent num2, that is 3 to the power of 4. The next category is relational operators. We have equals, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So we use this for all conditional things. If the condition is true, you get something. If the condition is false, you get something. So there are two only, either it can be true or it can be false. So Boolean data type in Python, true or false. So look at the example. If num1 is 10 and num2 is 0 and num3 is 10 and str1 is good and str2 is afternoon. So these are the variables which we are using in the table here. So based on that, check if the condition is true or false. Look at equals to. Num1 equals to num2. So num1 is 10 and num2 is 0. And 10 equal to 0 is false. str1 equal to str2. str1 is good and str2 is afternoon. Good is equal to afternoon is false. Similarly, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Check out the examples. So now assignment operator, that single is equal to is called assignment operator in all the programming languages, which assigns a value from right side operand to left side operand. Look at that, num1 is equal to 2. So num1 is a variable which is assigned with 2. Num2 is equal to num1. The value of num1 is assigned to num2. So we have plus is equal to x is equal to x plus y. You can write it as x plus is equal to y. Similarly, minus is equal to x is equal to x minus y. You can write it as x minus is equal to y. And multiplication is equal to and division is equal. You can check the examples on the right side. So division is equal to, modulus is equal to, floor division is equal to. Logical operators, we have 3 logical operators in all the programming languages, and or not. The logical operator evaluates to either true or false. So we have 2 variables here, num1 is equal to 10 and num2 is equal to minus 20. Look at that, and if both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. So true and true is true. True and false is false. False and true is false. False and false is false. So if both the operands are true, then only the resultant is true here. So look at the example. Num1 is 10 and num2 is equal to minus 20. Num1 and num2. Or if any one of the operands is true, that is true or true is true, true or false is also true, false or true is also true, but false or false is false. Not is the reverse of, that is opposite. Not true means false and not false means true. So we have identity operators in Python. Is not. So is evaluates true if the variables on either side of the operator points towards the same memory location, and false otherwise. So look at the example. Num1 is 5. The type of num1 is int, is true. Look at that, is int. So num2 is equal to num1. The value of num1 is assigned to num2. ID of num1 is and ID of num2, both are same. So num1 is num2 is true. The ID of both the variables is same as the value of num1 is assigned to num2. and similarly is not. So membership operators are used to check if a value is a member of the given sequence or not. That is in, not in. Look at the list and the example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3 placed within square brackets is a list here. So 2 in A is true as 2 is available in A, and 1 in A is false. Actually 1 is there, but 1 within quotations is a string. And similarly not in.